Good morning, everyone. Hello, I am Sanjay Rampal, and you are watching PPT News. On our channel, you will find the latest and most important news of the district every morning. If you want to get information about every news at the right time, then subscribe to our channel and stay connected. We are always dedicated to presenting the latest news to you. So come know about today's major news. Special importance of religions merits done on Makar Sankranti. Satpal Sangwan, former minister, honored talents in Chapar village, appealed to donate to cow shed. Senior Haryana BJP leader and former Minister Satpal Sangwan honored talents while attending the program organized in the Chapar village on the holy festival of Makar Sankranti as the chief guest. Also, he appealed to save the cow family by donating to the cow shed. In the organized program, former Minister Satpal Sangwan said that the BJP government of the state is working on the ground for the interest of every section. In this government, 15 youth of village have got government jobs without a slip and without any expenses. Someone said that festival and many celebrations have great importance in India, the country of suggests and sets by the donating on the person net success in his career. According to our scripture, a person should donate till good black clothes and khichdi on the festival of Makar Sankranti. The religious merits performed on Makar Sankranti have special importance. In the program, Sangwan talked to the concerned officials about repairing the damaged road from the village to the government political college. Said that you will be rejoined in 10 days. Dadri sewer system will be repaired. Tender of 281.79 lakh issued. Sangwan. BJP Dadri MLA Sunil Sangwan said that the government has approved 281.79 lakh for the sewer system of Dadri city. The Public Health Department has also issued the tender to the repair sewerage. During the month will start to the repair the system in Dadri. MLA Sunil Sangwan said here that recently he took stock of the sewer system in Dadri city along with top officials of the Public Health Department. During that time, problems were also known from the citizens and discussions were held with the officials to repair the sewer system on the ground. The state government has sectioned 281.79 lakh for the solution of sewer system in Charkhi Dadri. The MLA said that concerned department has issued the tender and soon after the final approval of the tender, the work will be started. He said that his effort is to make Dadri constituency the leader in the state. Under this development is being it continuously on the ground. In the coming days, when projects worth crores of rupees for development in Dadri constituency start on the ground, then development will be visible. National Lok Adalat will be organized in the district on 8 March. Pre-Lok Adalat will be held on Wednesday and Friday for the speed disposal of the cases pending in the court. National Legal Services Authority and Haryana State Legal Services Authority will organize National Lok Adalat in the district on 8 March. Before this, pre-Lok Adalat will also be held on Wednesday and Friday. The litigants can get the cases settled in the above court by themselves or through the advocates for relaxation agreement. Secretary of District Legal Services Authority Sanjeev Kajla said that National Lok Adalat is being organized in the district on 8 March by National Legal Services Authority and Haryana State Legal Services Authority to settle the cases pending in the court through mutual cooperation and cordial means. He said that if any person has a case pending in the court, then he can get it settled through Lok Adalat. In Lok Adalat, the dispute is settled with the consent of the parties and a cordial environment by mutual consent and compromise of both the parties. This provides benefits like quick and easy system, justice, no appeal, file settlement, saving of time, cases related to bank loan, motor accident, NI Act, criminal, revenue, matrimonial distributor will be sheltered in the National Lok Adalat. He said that Lok Adalat are proving to be very effective in cases which can be resolved by mutual consent, and decision given in Lok Adalat is important is the decision given in the normal court. Any appeal cannot be filed against the decision given in Lok Adalat. Cheap and easy justice is available in Lok Adalat. Through this National Lok Adalat, people's cases and resolved without setting time and money in National Lok Adalat. Neither any party loses nor wins. Rather, disputes are resolved by mutual consent of both the party. Hello and welcome to PPT News. Our aim is to provide you with the latest and the reliable news from around the world. On our channel, you can find news related to politics, business, sports, and entertainment. Our team consists of experienced journalists and analysts who will provide you with a depth analysis of the news. Subscribing to our channel will bring you many benefits. You will be receive our latest and news and analysis first and get access to our exclusive program and video. So, are you ready to connect with PPT News? Subscribe to our channel and get news from around the world delivered to your home. Take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal. Take care.